Have you ever wondered why some people become rich even if they started with nothing, while others work their whole lives and can barely pay the bills? The truth is, becoming wealthy isn't just about luck or inheritance. There are patterns, habits, attitudes that rich people follow, and most people completely ignore. If you want to change your financial life, you need to understand and apply these 7 things that rich people do every single day. And you can start doing them today, even if you're broke. Stick around until the end, because number 6 is the most ignored, and maybe the most important one. Number 1, they invest before they spend. Most people get paid, rush to pay bills, buy what they want, and only think about saving if there's money left. Rich people do the opposite. They save and invest before they spend. They treat investing like a priority. They pay themselves first. Even if it's a small amount, they put their money to work instead of spending it on useless stuff. You don't need a lot. Start with what you have. Just start. Number 2, they read every day. While most people spend hours scrolling through memes or gossip videos, rich people are reading books, articles, reports, biographies. They know knowledge is one of the only things that can't be taken from you. And they don't just read anything. They focus on money, business, psychology, human behavior, things that help them grow and think better. The average person reads 1 or 2 books a year. A millionaire might read 1 or 2 a month. Number 3, they avoid bad debt at all costs. Credit cards are not extra income. Financing a new phone or TV doesn't make you richer. It traps you in interest and stress. Rich people know the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt brings return, a course that makes you earn more, an investment, a business. Bad debt is buying stuff that loses value the moment you walk out of the store. Number 4, they have more than one income stream. Living off a single paycheck is dangerous. One layoff, one crisis, one emergency, and everything falls apart. Rich people never rely on just one source. They have multiple streams: investments, side businesses, royalties, passive income. Even while they sleep, money is still coming in. You can start small, sell something, offer a service, create content. Just don't depend on one single income. Number 5, they value time more than money. Time is the only resource you'll never get back. While most people trade hours for pennies, rich people think about leverage. They delegate simple tasks, avoid distractions, and use their time to learn or build something. They also avoid wasting energy on things they can't control: gossip, pointless arguments, comparing themselves to others. Time used well becomes growth. Time wasted becomes regret. Number 6, they live below their means. This is the most ignored habit, especially by those who start earning more. Most people increase their spending as soon as their income goes up. Make more, new car, bigger house, more expensive phone. Rich people don't do that. They maintain a simple lifestyle even when they could afford more. And they use the leftover to invest, save, and grow. Living below your means is what builds freedom. It's what separates people who look rich from those who are rich. Number 7, they have clear financial goals. You can't reach a destination if you don't know where you're going. Rich people have goals. They know how much they want to save, invest, and what they need to retire peacefully. They don't let money decide the path. They decide the path for their money. Even if you're just starting out, set small goals. Save $100 a month, pay off a debt, build your emergency fund. The key is direction. What separates most people from the rich isn't how much money they already have. It's the habits they build every day. You don't need to be rich to start, but you do need to start if you ever want to be. So tell me, which of these habits do you already follow, and which one are you going to start today? If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Every week I post simple, straight-to-the-point content to help you escape the rat race and build real financial freedom. See you in the next video.